In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money just by watching TikTok videos. And this is normal, it's just a normal thing that we all do by watching these videos, and you are just going to make money out of it. So you simply don't have to worry about a job that you don't like, or even have to put up a fire with your supervisor or even your boss. And this is just easy, so simple, and everyone can do it. You're literally going to earn money whilst having fun. A while ago, I tested it, and I didn't even see the time pass. But I'm literally going to ask for one thing in exchange for my time in this very video. So click on the subscribe button and put on notification bell so that always when I post you get it. And also please like the video, and by liking and comments in YouTube you just put out the video to people who literally need it. And this is the main reason why I'm making this particular video for many people, and trust me, this is very important to me. I used to spend hours watching TikTok videos but I was not getting anything in return, and that's when I discovered how to make money just by watching videos based on the most frequently questions asked by people. This method I'm about to expose to you is exclusively focused and will help you earn money anywhere in the world. You only need a cell phone, a computer, and the internet. You can do it without investing in dollar. I'm just gonna help facilitate you to do it correctly, okay? I'm going to explain this method step by step, so what you gotta do is to watch every second of this video as closely as possible, because many people make mistakes when it comes to this point. That's very important. So if you do everything right, you come out in front of a lot of people who are already doing the same thing. But most people literally don't know how to do it right. It's so simple and a quick method to do, because you only need to watch this 30 seconds video and you'll be rewarded within a side. This is just so simple and can make your day. Seriously, the first time I saw this method, I was so surprised. And anyone can do it, and it's so easy, so fast, without any problems. And the good thing is that you can just be making money whilst you have nothing to do. What you gotta do is just be watching your frequent funny videos. Yeah. And another very important thing that I want to say, please apply the knowledge that you'll be requiring from this video, because there will be no point watching the entire video without practicing anything. It will just be a waste of time. So we agree. Yeah. So let's get to what matters most, and that's why you are watching this video. And as I said earlier, we are just going to do what a lot of people do by watching videos on TikTok, but you are actually going to be able to make this a new sell for you. There are several sites that you can earn money just by watching videos, but here we are going to work with the AdmiFast sites, as it pays more with less time and is simpler than the others. In this site, we basically exchange our TikTok view for hotspots, which is a kind of currency within the site, and then exchange those hotspots for real money, which is we kind of sell our TikTok view to that site. It's a site where companies actually pays us for their content creator communication to their content consumers. You might be wondering how a website can pay preview, and this is actually so simple to understand. If you have a post on Instagram or an account on Instagram and suddenly you want to buy followers or likes to go within your social networks, the simplest and fastest way by doing this is to buy views and likes, entering a site that sells likes and followers. And every person who buys that services the real money. And on TikTok, it's just similar to all other social networks. What really counts on this platform is the viewing of a video and the comments. And by doing this, you kind of break the platform's algorithm, making the content creator gain more followers, likes, and comments. And that is which the site basically takes a part of this amount, which was charged for the service, and distributed to you. What really matters for this site is that you just watch the video and have more commitment to the videos, and all he does is to share the profit with you. And that is the work of the AdmiFast site. It basically does all the selling services for social media. You can buy views, buy followers, buy likes, and even buy engagements. But you will only wait for the site to watch videos. So you will basically follow an account, comment on videos, and to earn money. So your first step is to register on the site, so you can have access to your service or your work. You only need to enter your email address and your secured password. And it's very easy, just like any other site, and I'm talking about the registration process. And your second step is that you only need to see your email to confirm the registration, and just on the way to own an account. And step 3, after entering the platform already logged in, you press on TikTok video likes, and the page will explain the correct way to carry out the billing process. And you're actually going to earn 7 points just after watching a 3 seconds video. And now what you're gonna do is to press the green button, and after that it will open a random video. You must watch 3 seconds of the video and comment, and follow the account to the post of the video. After that you can exit the video. You have to take a quiz to the site to know that you are actually watching the video, and that is just after when the point has already been credited to your account. It's a few points, but if you watch videos for 1 hour, you earn around 12,600 points. it's not possible to know exactly how much the points are worth. And that's just because the value of the points varies from time to time. To be able to see the value of the points, you need to look at the bottom left of the page and you have exactly how much your point is worth. And to find out, you need to multiply all the points you have with the monetary value of the points. And doing this, you'll know how much you earn watching videos. I took a test and in 1 hour watching videos on the side, I won about $20. But then I said it earlier that this amount varies a lot from time to time. And to redeem the money, you have to have an encrypted wallet. A wallet used to collect these points in exchange for real money. And as I don't have much time to record a very long video, I'm already making another video to make it easy and understand in much more detailed, where I will explain to you how to redeem the money in a correct way. And to not miss a future video, please consider subscribing to the channel, putting on the post notification bell, commenting and liking as well so that people get to see it. Yeah, bye for now.
Thank you, Legitimate Tube.